In this video, I'll show you how to create the 3/3/3 right cross cable with a cable needle. The 3/3/3 right cross cable uses 9 stitches and results in the outside 6 stitches crossed over the center 3 stitches, pointing upwards and to the right. To create the 3/3/3 right cross with a cable needle, slip the next 6 stitches purlwise onto the cable needle. Hold the cable needle to the back of the work and knit the next 3 stitches from the left needle. Make sure to pull these stitches tight, otherwise you'll end up with a gap in the work. Take the 3 leftmost stitches from the cable needle and slip them onto the left needle. Move the cable needle with the remaining stitches on it to the front of the work. Now knit the 3 stitches off from the left-hand needle. Finally, knit the 3 stitches off from the cable needle. This creates a 9-stitch cable where the 6 outside stitches cross over the center 3 stitches and the resulting cable points upwards and to the right. Let me show you that 2 more times. Slip the next 6 stitches to the cable needle and hold it to the back of the work. Knit the next 3 stitches from the left-hand needle. Slip the 3 leftmost stitches from the cable needle onto the left-hand needle. Bring the cable needle with the 3 remaining stitches to the front of the work. Knit the 3 stitches off from the left-hand needle. And then knit the stitches off from the cable needle. Let me show you that once more. Slip the next 6 stitches onto a cable needle and hold it to the back of the work. Knit the next 3 stitches from the left needle. Slip the 3 leftmost stitches from the cable needle onto the left-hand needle. Take the cable needle with the remaining stitches and bring it to the front of the work. Knit the 3 stitches on the left-hand needle. And then knit the stitches from the cable needle. And that's how you create the 3/3/3 right cross cable with a cable needle.